Next natin is Lexar micro SD action camera na mababa lang, like 720p pwede siya. Hindi siya pwede sa 1080p kasi mababa lang yung Mbps niya. And then mobile phone, much better, compatible. Sa action cam na GoPro and then Insta, hindi siya advisable, mababa siya. So GoPro and Insta360, ang advisable gamitin is yung Extreme and then Extreme Pro. Okay, so ito yung nabili natin sa online shop, yung sikat ngayon na online shop. So wala siyang packaging. Nung pinadala siya sa akin, ito na siya. And then ito naman yung original, galing sa Saron online shop. So unbox na natin. Ito yung sa Quick or Class A. Ayan. Print pala, kakaiba na. Yung color, kakaiba na din. Yung pagka-print ng 256 niya, kakaiba na. Ayan. Diba? Check natin yung original. Sa Lexar, wala din kasama. So, sa SanDisk lang talaga ang meron. Okay. Itong si Lexar. So, SD adapter, kakaiba na. Dito sa original, may tatak siya. Lexar din. Okay, so ito si original. Yan, so print pa lang, crisp na. 64GB, crisp, 633 crisp. Unlike dito sa fake. Yung 633 niya, kakaiba. Diba? Ang color niya, mas blue, si original. Yung pagka-print ng Lexar, crisp din, sa original. And then, sa likod, so, ito yung likod ng Class A, ng fake. Ito yung likod ng original. So, tad-tad ng print. Yung mga mark. Ito, wala. So, dyan pa lang malalaman na fake yung sa kaliwa. And then, itong sa right is yung original. Diba? Laki ng difference. Print pa lang. Sayang hindi tayo pinadala ng packaging or ng box ng Class A para ma-compare natin yung packaging sa
myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. I sit here, look get something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing.